Hello YouTube, let's get started.
What's up? And we have already discussed uh, the color value tags and comment tags in the previous HTML video, and if you haven't watched it, make sure you watch it before watching this particular tutorial episode. So today we are going to learn about different types of font text. Today we are going to completely work with text only, and we are going to see a unique text such as teletype text, emphasizing text, strong text, and etc. Basically, these are not text. We call them as tags. So it's actually emphasizing tag, teletype tag, and strong tags, and we are going to see many other tags in such a way, in a unique way, unique tags. So let's get started. So as you can see in front of me, I have a document and I have named it as a new document, given it title as new document. So now let me let me use the teletype text. So well, a teletype text starts with tt and ends in such a way that the tag is tt. Here tt stands for teletype text. So teletype text starts with a tt tag and ends with slash tt tag. All fine. Now let's enter something inside or in between this tt tag to actually see on screen how does this look when the output is given. So let's type this is an amazing tag, and let's save the document and let's refresh. See, we have got the output on the screen as this is an amazing tag, isn't it? Isn't it an amazing tag? Well, if you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2 of the HTML, please do watch it, and I have even left a link in the I button. So now coming back, if you see from anything from h1 to h6, right, from h1 tag to h6 tag, from bold tag to italic tags, if you see from anything, you will not find such an amazing tag, such a different type of font. Can you see the highlighted term? It's really a different font we are getting, isn't it? So well, if you use a tt tag, you are going to get this type of output or this type of tag. Now coming back, uh, yes, now in with this teletype tag, you can add many more properties of HTML. For example, you can add h1 tags, so to make the text look bigger than the usual size. So I tell you, if you use a h1 tag, it's going to make the text bigger than usual, but it's also going to highlight the text. Basically, yes, it's going to bold text or the bold the words. You can see the output here. Well, I don't know what's went wrong here. Okay, didn't save the document. Fine. Uh, Now let's see the output. See, as I told you. So now, how to how to uh, how to make the text look bigger than the normal, but uh, but it should not be but it should not highlight the contents of the text. So how to do it? Well, you can use the tag big tag. You can use big tag instead of any tags between h1 and h6. See, isn't it bigger than usual, the text font size, and isn't it in its normal way? Well, I think I have explained the teletype tag in a very good way, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below, or you can text me in Twitter. So Now let's have a look at another tag. Well, as far as right now we have discussed, we have discussed two types of tags. Which are those tags? We have discussed TT tag. So what is TT tag? TT tag is a unique font, right? Now what is big tag? Well, big tag is nothing but makes the text bigger than the usual, but doesn't highlight the text. Right, till now we have discussed these two tags, the TT tag and big tag, right? I hope I am clear till here. So continuing further, we are going to have a look at a tag called EM tag. EM tag is called emphasizing tag. EM tag. So EM tag is called what? As it is called as emphasizing tag. So EM, this is the EM open tag, and this is the closing of the EM tag. So anything in between is gives the way in the font of EM. So how is emphasizing tag? Emphasizing tag is also a unique tag, just like tree type tag. So emphasizing tag, let's type in as something like this. Hello, emphasizing tag. Now let's save a document and let's look at the output. See, isn't this a very good tag? It's a stylish tag, and I can tell you it's a combination of the italic tag too in at some angles, isn't it? So now if you are wondering, I need a space, or I need this emphasizing text tag to be in the next line. Well, in that case, you can add a BR tag. BR is break line tag, and we have discussed this in our previous videos in the part 1, beginning of the part 1 video. Make sure you watch it if you haven't. So this is tag to move the text to the next line. Right, let's see the output. Let's save it first. On output, yeah, we are getting the output. Now let's see strong tag. As I have told in the starting of the video that we are going to discuss even strong tag. Let's discuss it, right? Strong tag. Strong tag, as the name suggests, is really strong. Strong tag is nothing but an alternative way of bold tag. Well, you're unable to believe what I'm telling? You will see in the screen the output. Let's say this tag is just an duplicate of bold tag, and let's save it. See the output. Didn't I tell you that this tag is an replica, exact replica of bold tag? The strong tag and bold tag are same, hence proved. Simple. So now we have to leave a space, and we will use BR tag to leave a space. So now let's save this document, and open here. Now we can conclude that strong tag is just a duplicate tag of bold tag or replica of bold tag. So strong tag is equal to bold tag, isn't it? So what did we learn today? We learned the TT tag, which is a unique font tag. We learned about the big tag, which makes text bigger than usual but doesn't highlight the text, and we learned strong tag. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial.